The TSR extension identifies a Terminate and Stay Resident program containing DOS-era memory resident software that loads and remains active in system memory. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you understand or manage these legacy DOS program files. This is a pro tip. To prevent future issues with obscure TSR formats, install a quality universal file viewer. We'll revisit my number one choice near the end of this guide. TSR files are Terminate and Stay Resident programs from the DOS era that load into memory and remain active, providing background services like mouse drivers, keyboard enhancers, and pop-up utilities. They were fundamental to multitasking on single-task DOS operating systems. TSR programs use DOSCOM or executable format with initialization code that installs interrupt handlers, then calls DOS function 31Och to terminate, but keep the program resident in memory. They intercept hardware and software interrupts to provide persistent functionality. Essential file access for TSR relies upon the utility MS-DOS from Microsoft Corporation. Windows might mistakenly flag the file as corrupt without specialized context. Windows provides no insight into runtime actions, so proper inspection relies on dedicated tools. We'll conduct a full scan of potential openers now. Right-click your TSR file and select Open With. Test MS-DOS if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates application conflicts. If you are still having trouble opening the TSR file, do not worry. This TSR file requires certain conditions to open properly. To isolate the error, we'll quickly verify these essential details on our checklist. First, understanding TSR files. TSR programs are DOS-era technology with no direct equivalent need on modern multitasking operating systems. They were used for mouse drivers, print spoolers, keyboard macros, and pop-up calculators that needed to run simultaneously with foreground DOS applications. Next, running in DOSBox. Use DOSBox to run TSR programs in an emulated DOS environment. Load the TSR before the application that needs it. TSR programs install themselves in the emulated memory and provide their services to subsequent DOS applications within the DOSBox session. Finally, historical context. TSR technology was essential for adding functionality to the single-tasking DOS operating system. Programs like Borland's Sidekick and Microsoft's Mouse.com were iconic TSRs. Modern operating systems handle background services through native multitasking, eliminating the need for TSR architecture. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.